Students, so now we will see the topic of one verbs, that is a grammar topic, vocal verben plus s rule. Till now you all have only seen first one, normal rule. I am writing short forms. Second one, I taught you all T/D rule. Third, I taught you all S rule. For revision, please go to the videos and revise all these three rules first and then come back to this rule to understand it much better. The fourth thing we also studied was helping verb, but helping verb didn't had any rule. Helping verb are supposed to be learnt by heart. No rule should be applied, no trick should be applied. Today I am going to teach you the next rule, that is vocal verben plus s rule. Actually, it is a combination of two rules, as you can see over here, vocal verben and s rule. In vocal verben rule, I'll tell you what happens exactly. In vocal verben rule, there are only two exceptions which takes place, that is the do form and RCS form. In vocal verben rule, do form and RCS form is completely different than the original words which I have written over here. As you can see, essen, lesen, vergessen. Yeah. So this is actually vocal verben rule. In vocal verben rule, do form spelling and RCS form spelling is quite different from other conjugation of the same column. Like if you saw, I took the word essen, essen meaning also you are supposed to write, if possible, over here, like to eat. Lesen, to read. Always write the meanings. Then after writing the meanings, as you have seen, I have taken the verb, I have cut it in two parts, and then because it is a vocal verben rule, in vocal verben rule we cannot identify whether it is like how we identified in TD rule. When we cut en, if it ended with T or D, it was a TD rule. If we cut in S rule, it was S, Z and beta. If we cut the en, and if these words were ending with the S, Z or beta alphabet, it was an S rule. But in the similar manner, for vocal verben, that is not the case. Vocal verben rules are not many in number, they are few. So you can learn it and keep with the practice and with listening or watching continuously the video and practicing simultaneously will help you to memorize those verbs. So as you can see, essen over here. So essen and lesen and vergessen is a combination of vocal verben plus S rule. Now it is vocal verben, so of course the do form and RCS form is going to be different for sure. So now over here, as you can see, do and RCS I have kept blank. And if you saw essen, I have just cut en, written the starting with the blue color ESS, 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 and then I have taken a black color pen and written the endings too. If you saw, I have written the endings too, E, En, T, En. Once you have written the endings, then these two things you are seeing blank. Now for vocal verben plus S rule, this do form will be given by me. Yeah, learn, why I told learn, because this will be given by me first. Then you have to learn it and keep. And then after learning, you can write over here ISST. This word you have to learn. This you cannot write by your own. You have to learn it first. ISST is the conjugation of do. Now here you can see RCS is equal to do. So whatever do you have written, same copy paste down. But if you see that these two are same but different from the other conjugation. So this you can do by yourself because you know normal rule. But this two you need to learn and keep. Learn one and then copy paste the below one. Now for example here, LIEST, least. So I have told you this, you can write this. As the rule is saying, write copy paste. Do is equal to RCS. This is how should be done. You will be doing this vocal verben plus S rule. This is for y'all. So first do the conjugation of this, ish form, wear form, ear form, ZZ form with your normal rule. Once you all are done that, then over here do form is vergisst. Once you know this, you will be able to do this. If you can do this, that means you understood the video. Okay. So don't forget to first conjugate ish, where, ear, zz normally, like I have written over here. Other things normally. Only do and RCS form you have to learn. Okay. And why it is a combination of S rule? If you cut en, you will see that S is also there. Actually, this is a vocal verb, so do and RZ is different. But because it is S also, so this is happening equal. Now, once you have conjugated this, and one good news that in this type of verb, there are not many. At present in 11th standard, at least 3 y'all are having. If there are more, I'll let you know. Once you have conjugated these verbs, you have to use it in sentences. Like for example, I have given over here, ish dash pizza. So, SN I have written in bracket. I want you to put SN over here. SN means to eat. I am eating pizza. But when you put SN, make sure you write proper spelling. So, in front of ish, SN, what it is? E-double-S-E. So, write E-double-S-E. In air, I want you to put lezen, but lezen should be put in a proper spelling which was in front of air. So, just see the word lezen in front of air. It is L-I-E-S-T, L-I-E-S-T. This is how we need to solve the vocal verb plus S rule. I'll give you more examples of this in your message so that you can solve it. And then do that particular, this example part should be done in your homework book. And this part write down in your classwork notebook, solve this. And once you have written in the classwork notebook, take a loose paper. On that loose paper, give the heading vocal verb plus S rule and conjugate all these verbs and keep it aside for collection also. So, this is classwork, this is homework, and then take a paper, 1, 2, 3, conjugate it on a loose paper and keep it aside in your folder for collection.